Hello everyone, and this is Thalia. I like to share a little bit of wisdom about how to make friends or influence of friends. It depends what you are looking for. Somebody sent me a message for that, and I really appreciate it. I'm very grateful because I like to see what you guys need. So I just have a little moment between my cooking, and I like to share these. I After I got this message, I put it on test myself. So for 9 days, I was writing every morning with all my other affirmations. I am an influential woman, and I am connected with influential people. So I have my three dream book ready, and I was looking to have uh, book sign place. And Barnes and Nobles, they want me to go to the corporate, and it was like not no, but different strategies I have to go for this acceptance. And all of a sudden, a bank, which is downstairs from my office, because I gave him the manager, I gave a book for his little child, which is 10 years old, little girl, 9, I believe. He says, do you like to have a book sign? Bank, it can sponsor that for you. So I said, oh, I'd be happy to. Excuse me. So what I did, and they sponsor it with food, with sushi, with desserts, with wine. And who came to my book sign? The mayor of the area. And it was a principal of a university, which I'm connected. And she's like I knew her for years. And actually, she's helping me for some things, completely unconditional. So what I will suggest, if you're looking for something like that, is to write down for 9 days, 9 times. I am connected with a wonderful new friends with we will have the same backgrounds, or maybe we think the same, or we like the same projects, or we like the same food, whatever that inspire you in a friendship. And so that's, or if you want to just go ahead for influential people, so that's what you do. You write down for 9 days, 9 times. I am ready to meet influential people who is they going to influence my life to the next step. So I love you all, and I wish you really, really lots of happiness. Please, please, please watch the video to the end because it's important, and also subscribe, tell to your friends, and what else can I say? I'm very, very, very grateful. The subscribers is going higher and higher. I'm almost to 4,000 minutes, and that's inspiring me, and I love it. And thank you, thank you. I wish you huge successes. Please write to us your successes, what you learn, what you accomplish. God bless.